Hello everyone, my name is Shivangi Handa and I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I did my bachelor's in 2017 from Chaudhary Charan Singh University and Bachelor of Commerce. After that, I wanted to join MNC company for my career and growth. So one of my friends suggested me Evision Technologies. So 1.5 years back, I joined an online internship training program. Course content was very good. It contains ITIL, Windows administration, virtualization, CCNA, and trainers helped me a lot. After 16 days of joining, I got placed in IDEMIA with 2.7 LPA. After 6 months, I got placed in Wipro with 3 LPA, and I worked Wipro for 8 months, and now I got the opportunity in HCL with 5 LPA. So thank you, Evision Technovers, from bottom of my heart